It's van life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live a life. It's van life. Welcome to another episode of FilAmstagram. And now the day has come when we finally hit the road. Woo! Finally! Our campervan isn't finished yet, but who cares, right? We just want to go on vacation! And we'll see you there!
Bye!
Bye!
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no
glamping.
Relaxation.
Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah. And this close to the lake, Lake Lumot in Cavinti.
Okay. Wow, it's a nice lit up dock. Every time we get our feet muddy, we just come down here, huh, Miriam? So these are the boats you can actually rent for $300 a day. I mean,
Pesos.
300 pesos a day. They only have two, so you might be kind of tag teaming with other families that are renting, but maybe not if you get lucky. But even so, I feel like it's a fantastic deal. The life vests are free, and Miriam's got her own anyway. It's refreshing, not cold.
Wow, look at that.
Big burgers.
And this one.
He told us they were big. He wasn't
Dino.
joking.
Yeah.
This one is Blue Dino.
Blue Dino. Okay, is that the name?
There's something really luxurious about going on camping and somebody takes care of your food for you.
Yeah, and the owner and his wife are both chefs, and they've made the special. Or maybe he's just saying like they put the spices into the. They need the spices in, you know.
Yeah. And it's big. And here's Miriam with her new dinosaur friends.
Did you watch that show, the dragon, and then they fly? It's a dinosaurs. Dragons, dinosaurs.
Yes. Video games and dinosaurs.
Dinosaur? It looks like a lizard.
What is it?
It's Paw Patrol songs.
Paw Patrol.
He's impressed. You want to impress?
side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
Look at it. You move these mangled fingers. And then you line it up like this. Yeah. You come back. Get your wrist ready a little bit. Do another little practice. Okay. There we go. This one's it.
Woo! Hole in one! Step back. Oh, that's good. Step back, step back, step back, step back. Yeah, she got it. These are the glamping setups that you can rent. So you get a big tent with comfy mattresses and sheets and pillows. Yeah, right on the waterfront. So doesn't get better than this. And you have your own hammock there. Yeah. So you don't actually need to own a tent or camping gear to come here, because you can just come as you are and they'll provide the amenities for you. And I think that's pretty clever. And there's Miriam going from tent to tent making friends. Being Miss Congeniality. This is our breakfast for today.
Yeah, living the dream.
Yeah, and
Support local.
Eat it like that.
yeah.
Don't cook your own food.
Don't cook your own food. This is the scrambled egg and bacon breakfast here at the King's Landing.
You have to eat the fruit yet?
And this is mine, which is sunny side up bacon.
Oh, he's bringing
And
the peach, okay?
peach.
Eat the
That's a
peach,
pleasant
and then you can
surprise.
have this, okay?
Miriam's gonna have
Look,
her
this is peach.
peach.
There.
Mmm.
Yeah, it's not.
Here comes a fisherman with his catch. We're going to buy fresh tilapia.
There's another step down here, look. Let's go and say.
Oh, look at the dog. Look at the dog. See the dog in the boat?
Go up. Go up so you can pull up. This is nice. We're
Yeah.
getting fresh tilapia.
Yeah. This is as fresh as it gets.
What is that?
Yeah.
A sea animal?
Hey, doggy.
Hello, doggy. Hi. Oh, I know this dog. I have a picture of that dog from years ago. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the same dog. Whoop.
Let's let us go.
Woo.
Here it goes.
Gonna
here it goes,
fetch.
Here it goes.
Fetch.
Oops.
He's gonna go for them.
It's going to get the other ball now.
You got it.
Oh yeah, he's good, huh?
Look at it. It's not cold.
Not cold. So there's two more big steps, and then now where I am, it's already muddy. But it's not really muddy.
Yeah. Here in this area, the problem is most of the resorts, most of the campsites have mud. Just like from the shore, it's already muddy, and then into the water, it's
Are you gonna
messy
swim?
because
It's
it's
deeper
all
here, Miriam.
mud. But
Don't be
because
scared.
this campsite
Means you
has
have to-
concrete
you have to
steps
let
going
One
down
more step.
to
Step.
over there, you can enjoy yourself without worrying about getting mud all over your leg at a certain point. So that's a good selling point for this campsite. There's a boat.
Didn't you turn it on?
No, it's still filming. Oh, you can use that. Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna put you in here, okay? You can hold on here. Okay. Now we're in business.
Look at that smile. Miriam, hi. She likes that.
Yeah, I bet.
It's hard being the camera person when you forgot to put your waterproof camera case on. Woo. Wow! I can't reach the bottom anymore and I have the camera with me. I'm swimming with sunglasses and a cap.
You have your own boat, Miriam. You have your own boat?
Maniacal laughing over here. Oh, I
It
can't
gets
reach
deep.
the
I
bottom.
can't stand over there.
I can't reach the bottom. I really don't want to get my new cap wet.
Get back. Let's get back here.
Let me get back on the shore. It's deep. Because it gets deep. I don't want to get the camera wet. Woo. Lesson number 1. Don't forget to waterproof your camera. Lesson number 2. Get a waterproof pouch. Lesson number 3. Take off your contact lenses before going into the water. And lesson number 4. Enjoy no matter what.
Well, he's already far. You are chasing boys?
Yes. I'm trying to go faster.
Is Dash your boyfriend?
Yes.
Are you gonna marry him?
No.
Oh, Miriam's paddling.
Is it fun? Is it easy? Oh, it's a butterfly.
There. Oh, there's a butterfly. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Wow, look at that one. It's what's that? The 10-foot container house?
I can't do it anymore.
Tiny houses.
Okay.
Wow.
Got that. Look at the pool. Beautiful this is.
That.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
There's divers. Someone's snorkeling.
Oh, and they're vlogging.
Wow, fresh air. This is not something that you get to experience every day in a pandemic world. To be out in the open without masks, maximum social distancing, virtually no one else around you. Wow, they're birds, all birds. Birds, 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 birds.
There goes.
Oh,
Playing with each other.
yeah.
Look how big they are. Okay, Bing, show us the fresh catch.
This is our lunch.
Wow.
Those were the 2 tilapia fishes that were caught and sold
They're big.
by the fisherman that came by earlier.
Yeah.
That's only 100 pesos for both. 1 kilo.
50 each.
50 each.
Look, already put them
Okay, let's enjoy.
Hi. Miriam's been dreaming of having her own rabbit.
Well, we spent our first official night vamping. What do you think, Bing, for the first night?
I could surely get used to this.
Yeah, this is the first time ever for us, at least away from our garage. I think it went well.
Yeah.
And now we're on our second day here. It's afternoon. It's pretty hot outside, but you know, with the fan going, it's not too bad in here. Someone plays hard and crashes hard. Right, Miriam? 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 Yeah, she has 2 awesome new friends.
Yeah.
And she's been really enjoying their company.
Oh yeah.
And she's gonna miss them, I'm sure. But anyway, that's our little update. Probably spend one more night here and go back home and get everything else rebuilt. You know, we have to get Miriam's loft done and get the CR done, and then try to plan our next adventure.
Miriam, not too much. Not too much. You're gonna bump. Oh, you're gonna bump Lindsay. Oh. Yan. Miriam's first marshmallow, toasted marshmallow experience.
Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Are you cooking the marshmallow, Miriam? Yeah? Yeah, you have to put it near the fire. That's so far.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
Hi, so this is Mr. King. He's the owner of the establishment here.
Well, hello, viewers. How are you all doing today? I hope you're as well as all of us here. Oh, you can't be as well as all of us here because we're here at King Man.
Yeah.
This is a slice of
doesn't
paradise
get
right
better
here,
than
I'll
this.
tell you.
When you come, you don't want to leave. Let me tell you.
I came and I haven't left in 17 years.
It speaks for itself right there.
It's a very nice place, very calm, relaxing, peaceful, quiet, and inexpensive.
Yes.
That's true.
So we're wrapping up our nice vamping experience here. You can see our van down there. We're at King's Landing here. Great place, great host, the owner. He just does really special things for you, and he's always taking care of you and making sure you're all right and making sure if you need anything. So we would highly recommend this place. They do have parking for campers, you know, camper van or car camping. So you do have that option, but they have mostly tents here. There's a lot of tents, and they give you a lot of things to do, and a lot of it's all free. So we've had a really great time here. We'll certainly be back as soon as possible.
Thanks for joining us for another episode of
FilAmstagram.
And as always,
Don't forget to subscribe. Sending love from the Philippines.